wait till I get my money right.
What is going on, my Ponky people? How we doing today? I have the Ponk chart up here, the one-day price chart. I do have alt season targets out for this, waves 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead over to my X page or YouTube, and you can see that video there. By 3, 4, and 5, I mean 3, 4, 5. Where are we headed? Right now, things looking really good in the crypto market. Hasn't quite transferred over to some of these smaller alts, especially the memes yet, but I do believe that our moment is near, my friends. So I want to jump in today just in some of this recent price action here for Ponky. Not worried about the alt season. We've already done all of that. Let's talk about this, and are we getting close to wrapping up here, man? So Ponky off the lows here, you can see a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. That high, though, all the way back in May. Since then, just a brutal A, B, C drawdown. And like I said, wave 1 was there. Wave 2 is wrapping up, and we're waiting on 3, 4, 5. Expect those to go pretty quickly. So looking at this, if I draw fibs from the high there in December down to the low, was that December? November, down to the low, you can see we haven't even taken back 23% of this drop yet as a whole. So definitely chilling around the lows, but again, not different from a lot of the other memes. That's just kind of what's happening right now in the market. So going back, let's forget about that high for now, and let's just dive into this most recent price action to see what levels do we need to break here. Are we at a good spot for support? Like, what is next here for Ponky? But before I do that, guys, join the Quantum Circle, entries, exit strategy, emotional and mental clarity, 2 daily macro videos, link to that in the bio. It's great to do all this TA on the individual coins, guys, but you got to know what's happening with the broader markets or you're going to lose. That's what we evaluate over there in the circle every day, so go check that out. All right, off the low here, let's see. Did this end up finding any support when I take fibs and I run it from the low there to the high up there? Sure enough, nope, we got whacked and we are down below all fibs. Now, looking at this C wave here, though, guys, it certainly looks like it's wrapped. A 1, 2, 3, 4 back up to 1, 5. So it does look like this is done, and we found some support right down here. Looks like that support is right at like the 8-cent level into the wave 1 of this blue impulsive move up. So found some support both there at a nice round number, 8 cents, and within that wave structure. Looks pretty good to hold, and now we're starting our way off the floor. So 8 cents, sure, certainly seems like we have a nice support right there at the 8-cent level. So that looks good. Now, heading back up, obviously these are all going to be resistances on the way up for Ponky, but there's a couple close ones that I want to pay attention to. The first one, this fourth wave right here at 11 cents, and there's a couple reasons. One, what we don't want to happen is this price comes up for a 6, takes that out one more time for a 7, and then we're done and we can go. Not my base, especially with where the market is right now. It certainly seems like this thing is about to turn up, but we do want to see it cross that fourth wave. Also, if I pull this fourth wave over and the 702, you can see we got stopped out in that area in the past before this rolled over for one more wave, right? So got to see it. Resistance there, support there. So we want to see it bust through. The first level for me that I really want to get over is that 11.5-cent level there for Ponky, and we're not too far away from the time of recording. Just about 24%. So let's see that thing bust above that. That is my first main level. Second main level is this B wave. And surely enough, that B wave right there at the 309, we'll call it an even 18 cents. This one's 17.92. I want to see that 18-cent level clear. So first things first, let's take out 11.5. Then let's go take out that 18-cent level. One other way to look at this drawdown is to take fibs from up here to down here. Sure enough, that 18-cent level, we see the 618 around the B wave. We have some confluence up here. This is the danger zone, right? So all that, let's clear 11.5. Then let's worry about this level up here around 18 cents. We look at the oscillators. How are these doing? Kind of a no man's land now, right now with the RSI. We want to see that thing continue up above 60 and weave above 60, above the purple, and weave, that's when we get our price appreciation, right? So it's thinking about it, certainly thinking about it right now. MACD momentum is also positive, still below the zero line. Want to see that thing work its way back up here as well, like so right there. That's when we get our appreciation. So again, guys, across the board in markets right now, things look great. Bitcoin out in a new all-time high. The altcoin market teetering, flirting with new highs. Just the others chart, which is PONKE, is included, the smaller cap stuff. Still waiting on our gas, but my friends, it is coming. I promise you that. Like I mentioned, join the Quantum Circle, real-time trades, access to my portfolio, 2 macro videos a day, a Discord channel, and I teach you how to do TA just like me. Link to that in the bio. If not, so appreciative you guys are here. If you could just follow, like, repost. I want to get this out to as many people as I can before it's too late. So hope you guys are having a great day. Catch you in a bit.